A new shirt. Leo is a little boy. Leo goes to the mall with his mom. They go to a big clothes shop. Leo needs a new shirt. His old shirt is small. His mom looks at many shirts. Leo sees a red shirt. He likes the red shirt. He sees a blue shirt too. He likes the blue shirt. He does not know which one to choose. His mom says, "Try the red shirt." Leo tries the red shirt. It is very beautiful. Leo smiles at his mom. His mom buys the red shirt. Leo is very happy. He wears the new shirt. He says, "Thank you, Mom." Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. What is the boy's name? The boy's name is Leo. Where does Leo go with his mom? Leo goes to the mall with his mom. What does Leo need? Leo needs a new shirt. Why does Leo need a new shirt? Because his old shirt is small. Who looks at many shirts? Leo's mom looks at many shirts. What color is the first shirt Leo sees? The first shirt Leo sees is red. What color is the second shirt Leo sees? The second shirt Leo sees is blue. What does Leo's mom say? Leo's mom say, "Try the red shirt." Which shirt does Leo try? Leo tries the red shirt. Is the red shirt beautiful or ugly? The red shirt is very beautiful. Which shirt does his mom buy? His mom buys the red shirt. Is Leo happy or sad at the end? Leo is very happy. What does Leo wear? Leo wears the new red shirt. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.